to quest and smite a demon and find their true family. The barbarian and the troll. The barbarian and the troll.
Let's get sharp, folks. Tonight, we're gonna draw babiddi. Pa-ra-pa-cha! That's right, folks. The great Majin Wizard has finally arrived. And tonight, we're gonna draw him up fast and easy. Drawing babiddi is easy. Of course, he was the son of a wizard that wanted full domination over... Well, I don't know what happened after that. Anyway, to draw babiddi, you must start with his eyes. You must always start with the eyes. And to be honest, he looks a lot like a catfish. Alright, so we just start with the lips here. Alexa, play Dragon Ball Heroes by Mark DeGroot.
Super Dragon Ball Heroes Universe Edition by Mark DeGroot on Amazon Music.
I'm not scared.
With a slam, slam, slam. Start the battle in a jam, jam, jam.
The final hit is a bam, bam, bam.
This heartbeat pounds my head. Let's get started.
Shoot.
First we're getting bumped,
Wait a
then
minute.
we crash, winning in the rut. Then
We need more observations.
this passion underneath is my newfound energy.
What is up with my pencil?
Time is set through the universe and its threats. My heart's dancing to its beat as we're heading for the ring. It's a tale of the pros when nobody knows. Super Dragon Ball Heroes. Can you hear a voice that gives out a cry? I'll toss the glamour you've got inside.
There we go.
All are trapped, their freedom gone in the war. Lost from the future that's just beyond the door.
Here we go.
Break out of prison with a slam, slam, slam. No problem even in a jam, jam, jam.
We jump to action with a bam, bam, bam.
Light burst from all the scene, let's get sparking. First we're getting bumped, then we clash. Winning in the rut, then we laugh. All this passion underneath is my newfound energy. Focusing for sure, set is set through the universe.
There we go.
And its threats, my heart's dancing to its beat as we're heading for the ring. It's a tale of the pros when nobody knows. Super Dragon Ball Heroes.
There we go. Next, we draw his claw. His fingers.
Now we let the thrills fill the room. Hearts are gonna beat with a boom.
After that you'll understand. This horizon never ends. If we lose a fight, I admit it's okay to cry, just a bit, but we'll keep on going forward, burning brightly to the core, always energized for the goal, ready to never die, so we won't. Are you ready to achieve that amazing victory? First we get it pumped, then we clash, winning in the rut, then we laugh. All this passion underneath is my newfound energy. Focusing for sure, sight is set through the universe.
Now we draw the
and it stretches. My heart steps
Majin
into
M
the
on his
beat
belt.
as we're heading for the ring. It's a tale of the cosmos that nobody knows. Super Dragon Ball Heroes.
Alexa, play Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission.
I don't know that one.
Sorry. Alexa, what is a wizard?
As a noun, wizard can have a few meanings. 1. A person who practices magic, magician or sorcerer. 2. A conjurer or juggler. 3. A person of amazing skill or accomplishment. 4. A software feature that guides users through complex procedures with step-by-step instructions, often presented in dialog boxes.
Alexa, play Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission.
Here's Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission theme by Mira Jang on Amazon Music.
Now we draw the hairs. Now here's his robe. And finished. There he is. That's how you draw a babiddi. He also got his debut on Super Dragon Ball Heroes. There we go. To find out... And well, I never realized that this guy had so much magic. I've been a fan of these Dragon Ball Super series. I can't believe he got his debut on that series. Remember that fight against Trunks? That was awesome.